Come berry picking with us.
Hello.
So good. You're so cute. Is it good? I see blueberries, crowberries, the black ones, and an Aqpik. I also see qayaset. I wonder what you call them in Inuktitut. Are they not called Labrador tea, I think? We didn't find much at the first spot, so we're going to a different spot now. Look at this. Beautiful, huh? I just want to show you how beautiful the color is on this berry. I got the littlest amount, but I'm happy. Walking on the land here really reminds me of back home. There is so much Labrador tea here, in this area at least. And what I think is a little bit different from back home is the trees. And then we're in the car, huh? We've been driving and driving and driving, and that's cool too, that you can drive and then you're on the land. I like that a lot.